Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Thank you so much for coming by. My name is Dylan and this is the Rideshare Hub, a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money. And today we have a very interesting story. We're talking about a fake Uber driver who assaulted a passenger. He pretended to be an Uber driver, picked up a passenger. This is why it is so important to be safe and practice safety practices when you're both driving and riding with Uber and Lyft. So I'm gonna get into the story. I'm gonna give you my thoughts, but before I do, if you could just give the video a big thumbs up. Did you guys hear that? Something just fell. Let's investigate. If you can just give the video a big thumbs up, I would appreciate that. And also subscribe, because I am trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, by 2020. Oh, it was a big branch that fell. Do you guys see that? It was a branch. Nothing to worry about. It's beautiful out. I just woke up, guys. I got that little ocean view. Anyways, let's get back into this story. So yeah, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I'm really trying to get to 100K before the end of the year, so if you can just help me do that, that'd be awesome. All right, so here we go, guys. Man who posed as Uber driver sentenced to life in WeHo, Beverly Hills sex assaults. A Los Angeles man was sentenced to 29 years to life in prison after being convicted of picking up women by posing as a driver for ride-hailing apps and sexually assaulting them. So it's actually happened more than once. Guys, this is absolutely brutal. I did see the story and I was like, it is pretty negative, but I actually drive in West Hollywood. I was actually in West Hollywood yesterday. And, well, I guess not Beverly Hills, but I mean, this is pretty much my not my hometown, but like, I go here all the time. WeHo, that means West Hollywood. Just so you guys know. I don't know if they say WeHo, or if it's West Hollywood, but it's WeHo. But yeah, guys, sorry, I need to just quick delay in the video. I need to push down this French press because my coffee is ready. Every single morning I do wake up, guys, and I do drink some French press coffee, and of course my almond biscottis. I have no idea what's even in these things. Enriched flour, wheat flour, barley flour, niacin. If you guys know what any of that stuff is, if it's bad or good, let me know, because I eat like 10 of these a day. So let's just pour this really quick. Let's get some nice ASMR going. But honestly, guys, this is crazy. Have you guys heard of this story yet? I mean, there's just some really bad people out in the world. So before I read the rest of the story, if you're a driver well, let's get into the rider safety first. So a rider, every single time you order a ride, let's open up the app right now. Look, I need to hide my location, but let's say, you know what, I think with Lyft, I can just order a ride and then I can cancel it without being charged. So, just for the sake of this, I know you're not supposed to do this, but let's just say, well, I don't want to, no, never mind, I don't want to do that because it's gonna show the license plate. But basically, and I don't even want to show the license plate, but basically when you order a ride as a rider, and it says like, Mark is your driver, he's 10 minutes away or whatever, 5 minutes away, it'll say his license plate number. So before you get into an Uber or a Lyft, you always want to make sure that you have the correct license plate on your app that matches up with the car. And every single time before getting into a car, always open up your app and have the license plate. If it's like 5S2U or whatever, like blah blah blah. Go and make sure at least the first 4 numbers match up, and then just, you know, make sure all of them do match up, and then get into the car. So don't go up to the driver and be like, what's my name, because the driver needs to know what your name is, because that's the only way he can verify you, and as well as you confirming your destination. So that's just, I mean, I'm just trying to get you guys to understand what it's about. And then for drivers, you always want to make sure, you always want to ask them, hey, what is your name? Rather than just saying, hey, are you Susie? Because obviously a drunk Rebecca at 2 a.m. trying to get home from the bar is just going to be like, yeah, oh yeah, take me here instead. You know what I mean? And then all of a sudden you're driving down the road and you have the wrong passenger at hand. It might not even be your passenger, and this person could potentially sexually assault you. And yes, sexual assault is not just guys abusing women, sexually abusing women. It's also girls doing the same to guys, trust me. These things have happened to me too. And guys assaulting other guys sexually too. Like it goes every single way. So, but I would assume that it's more guys doing it to girls, but I could be wrong. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just saying like, you never know. You never know who you're dealing with. I would never be like, I wouldn't just let somebody in because you think, oh, you know, I could take them if we got into a fight. You don't know if that person has a knife on them, a taser, and nothing. You want to make sure that you always have the correct passenger and you're always following the safety tips. And get a dash cam too, you know? I have a link in my description. If you click on the Amazon driver shop, there's a link to a dash cam in there, the Vantrue Pro. It's like 200 bucks, but it's worth it, like in the long run, you know, and it's a tax write-off too, I believe. So here we go, guys. Carlos Omar Pichinte, 42, had pleaded no contest September 17th in a series of 4 attacks in West LA, Beverly Hills, and West Hollywood, the LA County District said in a news release. The crime series included incidents in October 2016, March, April, so he's done this multiple times. Outfitted with, he put decals on his car, oh my gosh. And LA Times reported he told victim he was an Uber driver, but wasn't actually employed by either Uber or Lyft. Oh my god, I mean, we're not either technically employed, we're not employees. I guess you can call us independent, we're contracted, but whatever. Whatever the case may be, I mean, this is KTLA 5, this is a legit news source. The defendant would allegedly drive victims to another location where oh my gosh, this is crazy. He was convicted on 1 account of forcible rape and 2 accounts of assault. I'm getting demonetized. With intent to commit a sexual, oh my gosh, guys. That is crazy, guys. What the heck are these briefs support without constricting, chafing, or overheating? Skip the doctor and upgrade to the world's smartest CPAP. What the heck? Oh, okay. That's for sleeping, I guess. That's insane, though, guys. He was posing as a let's read that one last time. He would allegedly drive victims to another location. He had decals on them. Do you see that, guys? Where did he put that? He outfitted his car with details. Let's see what the LA Times had to say about this. Because, you know, I gotta open up Safari now. Or clear my cookies, because they're not letting me read. I gotta pay for the whatever. Hopefully I still got one more free article in here. Man posing as Uber driver arrested in Beverly Hills. I wonder how they caught them, though. That's what I want to know. Let's see if we can find out. A LA man posing as an Uber driver has been charged with sexually assaulting a woman, blah, blah, blah. Carlos Pichinte, 40. Oh, wow. So this was, maybe he was arrested and then let go? And he was doing it again, maybe? Yeah, I think that's what it was. Pichinte was arrested during a motor vehicle stop the following week. He was driving a silver Kia Rio. Oh, okay. Motor vehicle stop? Huh. Elizabeth Albanese. Oh, he picked up a female victim and then drove a short distance into Beverly Hills. Okay. Dang, dude. He looks like, I mean, he looks like, I mean, I don't know, something bad happened, you know, maybe when he was growing up or something that caused this all. The vehicle, so he put on Uber and Lyft decals. He was charged, kidnapping, and several other offenses. $1.3 million bail. He was pleaded not guilty to all charges? Wait, what? Oh, he pleaded. He has pleaded, not... Okay. Beverly Hills investigator believe Pachinte may have been involved in similar sexual assaults, and they have been contacting neighboring agencies. Earlier this year, Uber drivers were also accused of sexual assault. Dang, that's crazy. In June, LA police arrested a 46-year-old Uber driver who picked up an intoxicated woman downtown and then allegedly assaulted her at a motel. Guys, what is up with all these crazy stories? You guys really need to... I can't talk this morning. I reached my limit, but guys, be careful out there. I mean, personally, this was like 1 in a million. I don't know the statistics, but like, this is a very rare case. So this don't, like, you know, if you're a rider, be extra careful. Make sure you have the correct license plate. I always double, triple check I have the correct license plate. And then before I getting in the car. It's just not worth it. You know, it's not worth taking that risk. It's not worth the awkward, like, you know, I like to walk around to the back and make sure it's the correct license plate. So, and even when you're drunk, you can still do that. You can still look. So, but yeah, guys, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think about this? How can we stop this? I want to put an end to all these things. Like I said, my whole idea is to get a camera inside of every car, every single Uber and Lyft car, a little dash cam. And yes, I would like Uber and Lyft to pay for that, to pay for the service. Because I want it to be partnered with Uber so that every single ride is being tracked for all false deactivations, not just for driver safety, because Uber and Lyft don't look at dash cam footage, for the most part. And yeah, I think that would help a lot, just having a camera in there recording every single ride. But that's something I'm working on. Now it's going to take a lot of money, a lot of investment, which I don't have any money right now. So yeah, guys, let's try to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We have about November, December. We have about 2.5 months. Can we do that, guys? We need around 80,000 subscribers. We're at 20,000 so far. So let's try to get to 100. Let's try to make that number. Let's try to get to triple digits. Well, it is already triple, but you know what I mean, 100. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, check out the links in the description. I did put links to the GetUpside, which is the gas app, as well as Cash app. So if you want $5 really easily, just click that link. So go down here, click on the GetUpside. Okay, use the GetUpside one. And then that way you can get discounts on gas and food. So yeah, guys, cool. Thank you so much for watching today's video. You guys are great. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a good day, guys. All right, bye.